Welcome to
Ice
World. This is
MJ.
no.
This is a monster.
Now he is a monster for this
And this
Halloween.
is a ghost.
I am
Mommy-
sneezing ghost. Excuse me. I am a sneezing ghost. And this is
No.
Mr.
Monster.
Monster.
Me.
So look at
Me, I'm
his
a Buffy Witch.
face.
I'm a Buffy Witch, right?
And this is the Buffy Witch. Okay? And I think Miss Buffy Witch, what?
Ang cute na to.
Yes.
And
I
this
think
is my
Miss Buffy
wand.
Witch will make a magic before us. Okay? So, what you will do, Miss Buffy Witch?
What?
The brownie. Okay?
I will put some worm.
No, I think you will need to poke first.
Ah, that kind of bowl. I have to make a cake. So,
No,
How?
actually, we already baked this muddy pie, muddy brownie,
no, it's a dry mud.
dry mud. Oh,
It's not a brownies, it's a dry mud.
This is a dry mud cake.
We're eating it. Ew.
Yeah,
But it's yummy.
yeah, kuya.
But
Yeah,
that-
Mr. Monster.
yeah.
Yeah, Mr. Monster.
She's
what
up
you
to
like?
do everything before she's eating us. In Minecraft.
Okay,
And the
Miss Buffy Witch, I think Mr.
like
Monster
dirt.
will gonna help you putting the worms. Okay, Mr. Monster. Put the worms also inside the hole.
My dirty hands.
No, that's not dirty. Go. Okay, you need to put.
Okay. Okay, here's the worm.
Oh, I think. Ow, the worms. Oh, itchy.
Did I have to eat it?
No, you need to put it inside the hole first.
I can't.
Kuya MJ, Mr. Monster, put.
Here.
This one, the hole.
And I will start up the green one.
I think that's enough.
This dirt in my monster. Because there's some worms in brown.
Okay, too much worms already.
Now,
Okay.
there's still more.
Do the magic, Miss Buffy Witch.
Buffy D, Buffy D.
This one. Duffy D, Duffy D. What? Okay. Then mix it.
Oh.
Wow.
Is this blue?
What color is that?
It's blue. Wow, my favorite color, blue.
Let them see it. Color blue.
Don't spill that. What? That will like a...
No, that's not dirt. Mix it.
I put up some Play-Doh. It's Play-Doh.
No, she's just joking. She cleaned it already.
That is a bad joke.
What did you said again?
A bad joke.
No, the one. Here.
Buffy D, Buffy D. Okay, it's already mixed a little because of my one.
Okay, I think that's enough.
What? Oh, just a left.
Add more if you like. Add a little more. Pinch. A little pinch.
Wow.
Wow.
My favorite color. And this is the favorite color. In green Monster Beach.
I think it's already enough.
You mean Monster Beach? Monster Beach way. Every time you see Monster Beach.
Okay.
This is called a
But I think
Monster.
that's enough.
I like
Pour it
this
here
so
already.
much. Well, I think this turning to purple.
Name is Welcome to the Beetle Monsters. Even when the boys
So we will put it on our muddy pie. Muddy
Welcome
cake.
to this game. Oh, do this game over. Challenge accepted. Challenge
Just pour it
accepted.
like that.
Ano yan na? Basta ano yan na? Ano yan na? Basta ano yan?
Put it all.
The cake.
And the cake.
Why?
Can I eat some gummy worm?
No. Just finish this.
Yeah.
Go. Finish this.
This. Wow, just a blue stuff. No. Blue and pink. I will eat this in my hands.
Try. Wow.
Yummy.
Then, what else are you? You will put the
See? What?
mud flakes. Mud flakes, mud flakes, mud flakes. Pour it on the mud flakes. This is a Oreo. Crushed Oreo. Put it as a mud flakes.
Mine is not working.
It's working.
Then open it.
Okay, wait.
Open. Come on.
Pour it on.
Wait. Sneezy witch goes. Sneezy goes. Why you're sneezing, ghost mom?
Okay. And then, what else do you need to put, Ayu, to make this muddy cake?
Ice.
Ice. Miss Buffy Witch, put the ice on.
Sure. So this is the ice. The real
Kuya
life
MJ,
ice.
Mr. Monster, put the ice on.
A dirty hands again.
What dirty hands? You put already alcohol. Go.
Mr. Monster, go or I will magic you to turn a frog.
What?
Ga!
What? Too much ice.
Yeah.
Can I help Miss Buffy Witch?
No,
Ah,
thanks.
okay. I will not help.
It is always I've got this
Here.
go to Ma.
Yeah.
I want to ban na po yun.
Okay. Our muddy cake is already finished. See?
May may boy band na post.
And then, it's already finished. We will eat this later.
May boy band
Now,
na.
Now-
what is this turn? What do they-
Make your magic!
Buffy D, da?
Oh, it's so... I think you're sad. Make it a happy one.
Buffy D, da?
Okay.
Can you put-
It's a magic.
Thank you.
Ma,
What do they have to mix here?
ma, again.
By
This
this?
one, yeah.
Ma, is out again.
Okay.
It's out. That's it. Get
Like
out.
this? I will mix it by the spoon.
Is,
Spatula.
ma, what is plain this? Hindi naman ka, ano? Hindi na papat. Hindi papat. Ah. No one.
More. Make it even bluer.
So what color is that? Blue.
Purple.
So I think what you will going to do.
It's making purplish.
Purple.
I want to make it purple.
Captain America.
Full of purple. Wow.
I know.
Yes, go.
Let's get a new one.
Make it magical. So it's making purple. Wahahahaha.
And put some white worms.
White worms too.
White worms.
Pull it off.
New. Open.
White worm. I will put some more magic.
Can I keep this?
I think that's enough, Buffy Witch.
How can be enough?
I will get more worms.
Is this Captain America not working?
Captain America.
Oh, nawala yung TV!
That's okay. Of the more magic, more magic, more. I think that's enough magic for the weeks. And
I get more worms.
oh no! This will be taste wormy.
Wait, I will mix it for you,
Ma,
Miss Buffy Witch.
ma.
Wait a minute.
It's not working. Open it. When I open,
I have to wash my hands.
There you go. Our pasta.
but ma, it's not opening.
The water become pink and purple. Pink purple. What? Can I eat?
Mr. Monster, get your plate. We will eat. We will feast for this food.
Can I eat some more?
Get your plate. Oh. Come here. Come here.
Yummy.
Yummy?
Yummy.
Yummy? Okay, you will eat from here. Ayo.
Thinking I want to put some more purple one.
No, that's enough. That's
Tawan
enough.
mo na.
Okay.
Okay. Give me. Give
Got the
me
plate.
some worms.
Is this mine?
Give me first because we are your guest.
Worms?
You invited us here, so give me some pasta.
Sure.
Here. Okay, here.
That get another plate.
No, here.
About my lips.
It's okay. It's just a flour.
Pwede tanggalin na.
No.
Uy.
Kuya MJ, get some knife to cut this cake. And we will taste the food.
Magic. More magic. So, that of
I got
this,
a new one. A Captain
Worm.
America.
this is the worm one.
Okay, how about the cake? Buffy Witch?
I will cut it.
Cut it. Here.
Cut some slice of it. Thank you. Cut it from my
Cut.
big goggly eyes.
Yeah.
I have to cut some goggly eyes. I I will eat the goggly eyes.
We will taste this one.
Yay! I get worms.
Wow. See this?
What does the worms make looks like? Heavy body. Heavy body. Wow. Look at
Taste that one. Okay. Let's taste it. Mr. Monster, come here. Let's try the pasta that Miss Buffy had made.
Not easy again.
I'm using by my hands. Thinking I have this one.
Too much tasty. Eat.
No.
Eat. Try.
Itanggal daw ba sa'yo?
Yeah. Yeah. Come here. Get some plate for the cake. Okay. Miss Buffy Witch, what will you say?
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Happy
Too busy
Halloween!
eating. Happy Halloween, guys.
Happy Halloween.
Happy
Halloween.
Halloween.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Please like and subscribe Aya's channel.
Look at me.